Tambo. We do not have time. The concert is around the corner. If you want to play, put up!
Ngiyathemba ukuthi bonke azobe bekhona namhlanje abazobe performer on the stage bazi ukuthi for most of the people kuzobe kuwusuku labo lokuqala, their first experience as well to watch a theatre show. Kwabanye it is definitely going to be their last day. So kumele benze isiqiniseko sokuthi whatever that they do on that stage, they have to impress, they have to tell a story that resonates.
Give other kids a chance. You know what I'm saying? I think I should say this because nami told ngabami labantu bathe ngivule nabo. So ungcono mhlawumbe iphuma kumini ingaphuma abanye abantu ukuthi hayi lo bathanda ukukhuluma. Yabo leyo nto leso uma usuzile mhlawumbe kathathu ka4 wawina futhi wasizwa stage. Move on. You know, khona ungakhanda. Singayipush imali only guys. Let's push the passion.
Ungabe demotivated. Nathi saqala khona nesifana ama-shows. Uthola nokuthi hey amajaji awafani. Umuntu umekutshela into ungacabanga ukuthi uba nawo. Because today izo ezisakhile leso sakwazi ukuthi nathi siqinisele abantu ekuthiwa bawo-director ngilaba ama-right abama-act. Yabo. So just for today ukuthi namhlanje ihambe ngento owadoyenza.